Before cordless power tools, before modular storage systems, before mobile workshops, there was the multi-tool belt. Strong, organized, efficient. It wasn't created to carry everything. It was designed to carry exactly what mattered. The story of the multi-tool belt begins with skilled craftspeople. Carpenters climbed scaffolding. Electricians worked high above the ground. Roofers balanced on steep structures. Walking back and forth for every tool wasted valuable time. Productivity demanded a better solution. Keep essential tools attached to the worker, not the workplace. The science behind the multi-tool belt begins with ergonomics. Weight is distributed around the hips rather than concentrated in the hands. Frequently used tools are positioned within easy reach. Balanced load placement reduces unnecessary movement. Padded belts improve comfort during long working hours. Every pocket is positioned to improve efficiency while minimizing fatigue. Construction demands exceptional durability. Heavy leather or high-strength synthetic fabrics resist punctures and abrasion. Steel rivets reinforce high-stress areas. Double and triple stitching strengthen load-bearing seams. Heavy-duty buckles secure the belt under constant movement. Modular attachment systems allow workers to customize layouts for different trades. Every compartment serves a purpose. Nothing is included without function. Throughout history, the multi-tool belt became indispensable across countless professions. Builders, mechanics, plumbers, electricians, stage technicians, film crews, emergency repair teams. Although the tools changed, the philosophy remained the same. Keep everything essential, close at hand. Psychologically, the multi-tool belt represents preparedness. Every organized pouch reflects experience. Every empty compartment has a future purpose. It transforms movement into efficiency, preparation into confidence, because skilled work begins long before the first tool is used. Today, modern engineering continues advancing the multi-tool belt. Ballistic nylon reduces weight while increasing durability. Modular systems adapt to specialized trades. Moisture-resistant materials improve longevity. Recycled fabrics reduce environmental impact. Ergonomic suspension systems distribute heavy loads more comfortably than ever before. Yet its original purpose remains unchanged. Carry smarter, work faster, stay organized. Today, the multi-tool belt remains one of the greatest innovations in workwear history. Its engineering continues improving productivity across industries. Its craftsmanship continues supporting skilled professionals around the world. Its legacy proves that exceptional tools are not always held. Sometimes, they are worn. Every reinforced pouch reflects generations of practical innovation. Every carefully placed loop preserves the experience of skilled tradespeople. Every multi-tool belt reminds us that mastery is built not only through skill, but through preparation.